Cincinnati, Ohio. I normally try not to buy Trackmaster Revolution, but there are some guys like this one over here. Let me tell you, these models to have a very good condition, as far as I see, they look very, very good. Trackmaster Revolutions. I don't know which set this one comes on, so let me know in the comments. Next is Charlie. Charlie, also very good condition. Trackmaster Revolutions comes with two, I guess, dead batteries. I guess. Yeah, the batteries are dead. But let me tell you, the model, it's in working condition. Nice, 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 excellent. Even the roof, most of the time these present a lot of scuff marks, but this one is in very good condition. Just a couple marks, but good condition. Percy comes with batteries. Look, yeah, definitely they played just little. I'm gonna say just little play time. Batteries are low charge, but it's working. That is great. Trackmaster Revolutions. All of these, most of these are Trackmaster Revolutions. Some sort of muddy Thomas. I do not know anything. Maybe just a little bit of few Trackmaster Revolutions. So I have no clue. You let me know which is this engine called, or any of these engines called, or which set this came. I have no clue. This lightning stamp Thomas, I don't know either. I remember when I came across with these models like a few years ago, I just listed it as a lightning bolt Thomas. So I have no idea. Batteries are, I guess, are dead. So let's see if they work. No, it's actually the engine that it's dead. I had to open this Thomas, and this metal piece came off of the model, so I guess this might be the problem. It's working now. Alright, now it works. It was an easy fix. Easy fix. Cool. Number 68, Phillip. Phillip, it's also, I'm gonna say everything here is Trackmaster Revolution, but look, very nice, very nice. Comes with battery also. I assume dead batteries. Yeah, dead batteries. Look at that. Nice, nice, Phillip. Nice, nice, nice. Excellent. This is one of the reasons I bought this lot for the Turbo Percy, Diesel, and Thomas. Now, I don't know if it works. It does come with batteries, but they seems to be dead batteries, drain batteries. So let's see if it works now. Oh yeah, it works. Now I remember I have some tracks laying around somewhere in the garage, but I don't know where. Oh, very sensitive. Good. It's not all the I need to. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It speed up. How does this work? I don't know. But you saw it. It sped like a very fast. But anyways, it went fast. Good. Trackmaster 1, the rocket, very good condition. That battery is very low voltage. Actually good for recreation, because it's the fast or the slow stepping, I think is the video I heard about. Never watched it before. Good, but it's good, good, good. Skiff. This is no motorizer, but good. Skiff. I don't know if this Percy is like a racing Percy, race Percy. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Well, it looks like it comes batteries and works a little slow. These batteries are low charge, so I did not put the original, I mean the new batteries. Like as you can see, it works good. Fleeing, or I'm not gonna say anymore, but anyways, if I see something that is wrong with these models are good condition. All of these are in very gentle, I'm gonna say most of these are like mint condition. This is the original battery. Something is loose inside of this, but it works great, amazing. I don't think this works just like that. I think I have seen this kind of switch, and I think it's a remote control, Thomas. Fortunately, there are no remote controls coming in the box, so I'm just gonna pass on this test. The Hurricane. Yeah, I'm not gonna say anything about this. You know, no, I'm not gonna say more about the condition, but they are gentle, very nice. Okay, start with that. Comes with batteries. Batteries are depleted, dead, drained, or maybe it's the engine itself. What's going on? It needs a little spin. So we remove the 3 screws underneath, and then there is some hair and debris inside of this motor, I mean on the worm gear. So what we gotta do is just turn the motor, spin it like this, and then we do a test. That seems to work now. This is what I call real maintenance. Real maintenance. This is the way to do it. You know, fix, repair, maintenance. There, it works now. Cool. Look at this Spencer. Very nice graphics. I haven't seen this because the reason is I don't buy the Trackmaster Revolutions at all. But like I say, I bought the set just because of these guys. But this Royal, I guess they're gonna call it Royal Spencer works. Great find. Another kind of Muddy Thomas. Yeah, very nice Muddy Thomas. Batteries have low charge, but they're good. Still good condition. Good. Excellent. I think this is some sort of glow-in-the-dark Thomas. Yeah, I think it's some sort of glow-in-the-dark Thomas. So I have no clue, like I say, on which set, which. I don't say which. I'm still learning. Okay, but good working condition. I don't know what happened to this guy, but look, the face is come off the. Is it glued or just? I don't know, but. Anyways, oh, it holds now, but it's kind of loose. I think they say Jungle Thomas or some sort of Jungle Thomas, but I think it's some sort of Turbo too. Fresh batteries, good. I don't know how to activate this. I think there is some sort of sequence to activate. I don't know where my tracks are, but I remember seeing on one box of those sort of tracks. Good, Turbo Thomas. This one has some printed of global maps, whatever, here on the sides and the top of the model. Maybe it needs fresh batteries. All right, fresh batteries installed and works. Very good find. I don't remember if one of these is broken, but I think we fixed the ones that were broken. So far we have a lot of good models in working condition. That's great. Here is another Percy. Very good condition. Low battery, no problem, but it's working. Nia, I remember that I bought like a 90 sets from Walmart for when they recently released it, and I resell it on eBay. Nia and the elephant. I think I still have some of those laying around somewhere. I opened the shot so we can see clearly more. I mean, we can fit more engines. So this one is glow in the dark Edward, and it comes with batteries, and this one is fast. I can tell the batteries are very good, hold a very good charge. Another Thomas, I think batteries are empty. Okay, now it works. Yeah, it needed a few taps. It is in working condition. That is good. Another good Thomas. Diesel. Devious diesel. I don't know what. It don't run. This one definitely is not going to do anything. But I'm gonna try anyways. I mean, it's not a big deal. It might need white vinegar to clean the battery terminals, but it seems that this is not doing anything so far. Still gonna try and show you. I hope this works. Nothing. I don't know if this is the problem, but it was some sort of very like a stuck in there. Let me try again. Maybe it works now. Oh no, impossible. See that battery contact terminal corrosion. Still gonna try. I don't care. Maybe it works. Nah, it's a lost cause. I need a new motor. At least this one looks good. Exterior condition. Flying Scotsman. Is that the right pronunciation? Flying Scotsman. I hope the batteries are the only problem. Let's see if it works. Yeah, I see that it's trying to. It's running. Somehow it's not engaging. Yeah, the cog it's broken, but I can see can be easy fixed maybe. Oh, we'll fix that later. I think this one is a Streamlined Thomas. Batteries are dead. I hope the batteries are dead, and that's the only problem. Oh man, another one. What's going on? Might need a little spin. Look at that. Alright, it's working. Alright, now it works. Streamlined Thomas. Oh, very good. Very good. Yep, turbo diesel. Turbo diesel. Nice. Does it work? No? I hope the batteries are the problem. I hope. See, the good thing is that all these are excellent. Are in good condition. These engines are, the majority of these are in good condition. Very nice diesel. Have you noticed this is gray? I thought they will make it black, but it's gray. Next, the Turbo Thomas. So, what's the difference on this? It's just the jungle theme or whatever. But anyways, all right, fresh batteries, and this Thomas works. Turbo Thomas. Oh, okay. I think I have seen something about this. What is? Oh yeah, Winged Thomas. Oh, cool. Yeah, Winged Thomas. Nice. Comes with batteries, but batteries are dead. Alright. It's not working. We need to do a little spinning. Trackmaster Revolution Thomas are very simple design. Just two cogs. Very easy fix. Nice working Winged Thomas. Cool. Easy fix. I need more room. Almost done, but still like a 10 more maybe. Cool. I think one of these is missing a... Yes, here's the side rod. Also, Connor is missing the side rods. Oh, there is battery corrosion. Oh, yeah, this is going to be for a fix and repair video later. Later for another video. Excellent. Let me tell you, this box is getting better. I mean, the reason I bought was for the Turbo Thomas, but now we have the real Steam Thomas. Comes with the batteries, but they, I assume, are dead batteries. So let's put some fresh batteries. Maybe it works, maybe not, but hopefully. Otherwise, we're going to do... Oh, yeah. I see the blue light, but it's not running. Huh. Yeah, this is going to be a good fix and repair video, guys. There's the light, but it's not running. Yeah, we're gonna do a fix and repair video for this model. Excellent. Glow in the dark Percy with the male something. No, dead. I think dead batteries. Put fresh batteries on the model, but still not working. I guess I'm gonna leave this for a fix and repair videos coming soon. I'm running out of time for you know, I gotta do something else. And then we have this Sparks, some sort of Thomas. I remember seeing one of these with LED light in the between right here and the wheels, but I don't know. Yeah, this one works. Well, this one, like I say about the LED light, this does not include the LED lights, and there are some variations where it comes with yeah, because I remember I've seen those models long time ago when I used to come across to them, and with the fix and repair, I mean with the LED lights in there.